Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up time on your Noise smartwatch. First, make sure your smartwatch has sufficient battery, ideally fully charged. Next, download and install the official Noise Fit application on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your smartwatch with your phone using Bluetooth. This initial connection is crucial for time synchronization. After successfully pairing, open the Noise Fit app on your phone. Navigate to the device settings or profile section within the application. Look for an option related to time settings or synchronization. Ensure that the automatic time synchronization feature is toggled on. Your Noise smartwatch should then automatically update its time to match your smartphone's current time and date, ensuring accuracy. If your smartwatch time isn't syncing correctly, first check your smartphone's date and time settings. Make sure they are set to automatic and that your time zone is accurate. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Try restarting both your smartphone and your Noise smartwatch, then reopen the Noise Fit app to allow them to reconnect and resynchronize the time. Finally, you can customize how the time appears on your Noise smartwatch. Within the Noise Fit app settings, you'll often find options to switch between a 12-hour and a 24-hour time format. You might also find settings for date display or other time-related preferences. Take a moment to explore these to personalize your experience. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.